Welcome to GCCars, my name is Eric and today we are going for a city POV test drive in this 2022 Lincoln Nautilus. This is the top spec version of the Nautilus and in this POV test drive we are going to test and see how it drives in, as you can see, wintry conditions here in the city. A lot more stop and go, not as quite as fast as in the other POV test drives. And just see how well it fares and how comfortable, of course, it will be. After all, it is still a luxury SUV. But before we do that, I just want to quickly mention, if you want to hear all my thoughts about this 2022 Lincoln Nautilus, click in the top right hand corner for my full review where we sorry, just lost it there. Where we talk about the interior, the exterior, drive planning compared to the competition. I'm sorry, it is very cold and I just want to get back inside. Oh yeah, winter, love it. Startup sequence, nice big screens, obviously. Heated seats, yep. Heated steering wheel, yep. And let's do the massage. What do you want to have? What kind of massage? Let's just stick to circular cushion, just so we don't have the noise right up next to the microphone. And with that being said, I think it's time we go drive. Let's put it in drive. Wait for the CRV. Where's everyone coming from? It's only like 3 cars joined. Actually, let's turn off. No, we'll stick to the massage for a bit. And as always, we're gonna go for a short little acceleration run. So let's put into sport. As you already see, instantly downshifts gives you more aggressive gear. Let's see how quickly this Corsair accelerates. Go a little down at speed and floor it. Woo, okay. That wasn't bad at all. Rear suspension compressed quite a bit from that weight transfer, but it's quick. Anyhow, I'm just gonna stay quiet for a bit so you can actually see and hear how it is to drive this Lincoln Corsair. Sorry, Nautilus. Nautilus. Normally I turn left here, but seeing as we have 2 police cars there, and one of them seems to have something going on, let's just go a bit of a different route today. But quick look at the infotainment. So this is Sync 4, which is a very nice infotainment. It's not necessarily the quickest here in the Nautilus. By the way, if I said Corsair in the beginning, sorry for that. But it has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless. We have navigation. All the necessities are right in here. We're just going to go straight because there's a 3rd police car coming up and we just don't want to be in the way. But yeah, pretty decent infotainment system. I personally like it a lot. And let's turn off the massage just to stop all the sounds. Let's turn off the heated seats, turn off the heated steering wheel. And why not change the gauge cluster to speedometer only, and that to the comm screen, and now we have a much more reduced interface up ahead. There we go. And yeah, that shall conclude today's POV test drive in the Lincoln Nautilus. Let's turn it off. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please remember to like and subscribe. And we have 2 more POV test drives. One's on the highway where we test all the assist system, and one's at night where we test the headlights, high beams, and emergency braking scenarios. With that being said, like I said, the full review is on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.